Hello everyone. Once there was a boy in Israel who lived with his family. Now, this boy's name is unknown. So let's just call him Jesse. Jesse and his family were getting ready for a day out. Jesus was visiting their town and they were going to find him and listen to the wonderful things he has to tell about God. They probably wanted to see Jesus working miracles as well. Mummy had packed a good lunch for Jesse and they all set out to go and meet Jesus. That day, Jesus was very upset as he heard that one of his friends, John the Baptist, had died. Jesus was in no mood to talk. He just wanted to sit quietly in peace away from the crowd. So he got in a boat and told his disciples to take him to the other side of the lake. But all the people followed him around the shore. Many had brought their sick friends or family members to Jesus for healing. They were very determined to meet and listen to him. Jesse also followed the crowd to the other side of the lake. When Jesus reached the far shore, he saw people waiting for him. Instead of getting angry or upset, Jesus had compassion on the people and he started teaching them and healing them. After a while, Jesus' disciples came and told him to send all the peoples away as it was getting dark and people needed to eat as well. But Jesus told his disciples to feed the people food. The disciples looked at the crowd and saw a sea of people. The crowd was more than 5,000. It could even be 10,000. The disciples told Jesus they didn't have enough money to feed 10,000 people and said it is better to send them away. But as we heard earlier, Jesus had compassion on these people. So he said to the disciples to find food in the crowd and bring it to him. The disciples asked everyone if they had food. Although most would have finished their food early in the day, maybe some just did not want to share with others and must have kept quiet. Now, Jesse saw what was happening and he realized that he had some food that Mummy packed for him. Instead of being selfish, Jesse went to the disciples and offered them his food. They took Jesse to Jesus, and when Jesus saw 2 fish and 5 loaves of bread, he was happy. He thanked Father God for their food and told the disciples to give it out. As the disciples were distributing the food, it was not getting over and it kept multiplying. Jesse just looked in amazement that his 2 fish and 5 breads could feed more than 5,000 people. So, sharing is a good attitude, my friends. Sharing is when you become selfless and help others or share something with others. In the Bible, it is written in Hebrews chapter 13 verse 16, do not forget to do good and to share with others, for with such sacrifice God is pleased. When Jesse shared his lunch, I am sure Jesus was very pleased with him and blessed him. Don't be selfish, but a blessing in the lives of others. God bless you all.